Samsung stainless French door refrigerator. Some of you may find Samsung's inclusion in the products to avoid section a little surprising. There is no denying that this is arguably one of the most renowned brands in the electrical appliance landscape. However, this model is a huge misfire, especially by Samsung's high standards. Sure, it has several redeeming qualities like storage space, temperature control features, and stunning design, but the pros far outweigh the cons. No one wants their electricity bill to go sky high. Unfortunately, choosing this product will increase your monthly electricity fees. Its power consumption is significantly higher than every other product on this list. Plus, there have been several complaints by users claiming that its LED light is faulty. The last thing that you want to do is get an expensive repair expert to fix your brand new refrigerator. All of these reasons are why we give this model by Samsung a hard pass and recommend you to try the bottom freezers mentioned above. Pros: ample storage space, modern temperature controls option, aesthetically pleasing design. Cons: not as durable as other models, consumes too much energy, faulty LED, requires regular maintenance.